So Krishna is telling, Mahi Bhav. Go home and do sadhana bhakti and you'll come eventually. Vaidhi sadhana will take one to rag, in proper association with proper guidance of Raganugiya Bhaktas, either in previous life or this life. And then, intensifying one's rag, then bhav. So if you do shravana, darshana, dhyanam, anukirtana, then you'll get mahi bhav. By hearing about Krishna, worshipping his deity form, meditating upon him, and doing kirtan, hearing, chanting, remembering, serving, then we can come to bhav. So that's correct. So it appears in this verse, the first half of the verse, that Krishna is saying the same thing he says in two different places in Bhagavad Gita. In other words, to the sadhana siddha gopis and the nitya siddha gopis, his nitya parishads, who are standing in front of him, he's telling them Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, verse 34. And again it's in chapter 18. Manmana bhavamad bhakto madhyaji mamna maskuru mam evaishyasi satyam te pratijane priyosi me. You'll become priya. You become priya to me. How will you become dear to God? How will you become a beloved of God? Go home, manmana, think of me, and worship me, offer obeisances to me. This way. So this is the first two lines of the verse. Krishna is telling, describing ordinary practices of Vaidhi Bhakti for the purpose of attaining him. It's very correct what Krishna is saying. It's the perfect Bhakti Tattva. He's Guru, Krishna's Adi Guru. He's preaching and teaching Bhakti Yoga to Arjuna. And here he tried out preaching first to the gopis so he could practice. Later he perfected it, so he preached to Arjuna 100 years later. So first, when he was 11, he tried out this idea, Manmanava Vamad Bhakto. And then when he was 90 or 100 years old in the battlefield, Kurukshetra, Arjuna, you shouldn't stand here and love me as my Sakha. Why are you standing here and loving me and having so many guna rasas? You're in Sakya Bhav, and now you're experiencing the guna rasa of fear. Oh, my Lord, seeing this Vrata-rupa, I'm trembling, I'm perspiring. Please show me your beautiful, sweet two-armed form as my Sakha, as my friend. This Virata-rupa, this Aishvarya Bhagavan, this majestic Bhagavan, Vishwarup, I'm trembling. Well, that was just the anubhav of his intense sakirati, his intense love. So he felt fear, which is a gonaras. It's a gonaras which nourishes and increases the attachment of a friend to a friend. Oh, I didn't realize who you are. We used to sit on the same bed together. We used to share our food together. Now I realize you're God. And there's in one Purana, Narada Muni was amazed. He was amazed how intimate and how close they are, because when Arjuna saw that on the battlefield, so much gonarasa, bhaya ras, so much fear, and this vibhatsa. Vibhatsa means ghastliness. It was ghastly. He saw thousands of soldiers and chariots and horses rushing into the mouth of Krishna's Virata-rupa. He said, this is my friend? He's just munching and crunching the heads of soldiers like they're peanuts. Thousands of soldiers' heads are rushing into his mouth, just crushing them like some kind of wood chipper, and when they put trees in, they just crushing up like some garbage truck. This is my friend. We sat on the same bed together. We shared food. He's my priyosime, and I'm his priya jana.